In this tutorial, we're going to be talking about surface area and volume of similar objects. So let's go ahead and solve this example. These two cylinders are similar. If the smaller cylinder has curved surface area 90 centimeters squared, what would the curved surface area for the larger cylinder be? And so in such case, we need to find the ratio as a first step. And that would be through taking a look at both figures. The first one has a radius of 9 centimeters, while the second one has a radius of 30 centimeters. So using these two information, we can find the ratio of lengths, and that is a 9 to 30 ratio. Well, if we were to simplify this even more, divide it by 3, and that would be a 3 to 10 ratio. Now let's work with the ratio of the areas. To find the ratio of the areas, you need two things in mind. The first thing is that you're going to have to square the original ratio of length. So that would be 3 squared to 10 squared. And that is a 9 to 100 ratio. Now looking at the given, the smaller cylinder has a curved surface area of 90 centimeters squared. And so that would be A1 to A2 is equal to 9 to 100. And since 90 to A2 is equal to 9 to 100, then we are multiplying it by 10. Since 9 times 10 is equal to 90, and 100 times 10 is equal to A2. And so in such case, A2 would be 10 times 100, and that is 1000 centimeters squared. That would be the surface area of the second curved cylinder.